Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a profile on your Netflix account. So here, I'm doing a Netflix tutorial on my phone. So first, just open the Netflix apps on your mobile, and then click on the pencil icon at the top right corner. Then click on the profile name that you want to delete. So for example, I want to delete this one. And then in here at the bottom, you can see there's an option to delete this profile. So just click on that. Then if you're sure to delete the profile, just click on delete profile. And just like that, the profile will be deleted from your Netflix account. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, like, and comment if you have any questions. Bye.